The Nokia 5.1 Plus is here. The little brother to the Nokia 6.1 Plus brings in a similar experience at a more affordable price point. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and here are our first impressions of the phone. The first thing you'll notice when you pick up a 5.1 Plus is how similar it is to his larger brother. In terms of design and aesthetics, they're pretty much identical, save for a few key differences. One of those differences lies in the glossy black finish on the sides compared to a matte finish on the 6.1 Plus. The other immediate difference is the notch, which is quite a bit bigger on the 5.1 Plus. The Nokia 6.1 Plus and 5.1 Plus share a similar size of around 5.8 inches in terms of screen. They are both IPS panels as well as come with 2.5D curved glass, but the resolution is down to 1520 by 720 pixels on the 5.1 Plus. The display still seems fairly sharp, and there also seems to be some optimization going on the software front to achieve it. The display looks beautiful thanks to good colors as well, but is still affected by lower visibility under sunlight due to the reflective display and lower brightness as well. One good thing that you'll get is still great handling. The phone is perfect for many, and even for people with big hands like me, it still feels easy to use, and the sleek profile also makes it easy to pocket. The phone is a part of the Android One project from Google and comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. I got an update immediately after I got the phone, and that just reinforces Nokia's commitment to updates ever since the brand was brought back under HMD Global's banner. It's running on the latest September security patch. There's a fingerprint scanner on board that's pretty accurate and fast, but there's a slight latency to wake up the screen. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core chipset, and while many may frown at that, it actually is a pretty powerful chip. We'll take it through a paces in the review, but so far we have no complaints in terms of performance. There's 32 gigs of storage and 4GB of RAM, in which the former can be expanded via the hybrid dual SIM slot. The camera setup consists of a 13MP f2 sensor with a 5MP depth sensor at the back and an 8MP f2.2 sensor at the front. Here are some samples to give you an idea on what to expect. The battery capacity remains at 3060 mAh like the 6.1 Plus, but considering the lower resolution display, the battery life should be much better on this one. We're quite happy to see a USB Type-C port on a phone that costs ₹10,999, while there are several manufacturers still bundling a micro USB port even at 2.5 times that price. The Nokia 5.1 Plus seems like a promising device, especially at the asking price. We'll do in-depth videos and reviews soon, so please do stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.